Hi everyone, welcome to my blog, Love Nicola. It's a lifestyle blog about all of my passions and interests. So here is my homepage. I have just a photo of myself in Italy, a photo I took in Poland, and a photo I have from Wix, but I will be changing that eventually. So as you scroll down, you have my title right over here. Actually, briefly before I go into that, I just wanted to mention this top section right here. Here's where users can click the home page or my blog directly, or the about page or contact page. Here I also have all of my social media profiles that I use most frequently linked here, my Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So as you scroll down on my homepage, here is going to be all of my blog posts laid out. So right now I only have one, but there's more to come. And then right here I have a section where people can subscribe, and then they'll get an email notification right when I post. Then I have my personal Instagram linked here. Eventually I will be making an Instagram specifically for Love Nicola, but for the moment I just have my personal Instagram linked where people can find me at, as well as my Twitter. You can click here to follow, or here's the feed of all of my recent tweets. And then here's more social media linked here, and then just a blurb here where it's like a contact section. But I feel like it'll look much better once I have all of my posts kind of laid out here, but for now, just the one. So then here you can click to go to my blog page, where it's going to have all of my posts. I just wanted it very clean and user-friendly. And then I have my about page here, just a photo of myself, a little blurb talking about myself, and a policy and disclosure right here. And then I also have a contact me page. I just thought this was the best way where people, if they go right to my blog, they could just click contact if they know where to contact me. Just wrote that they could submit a message below and I'll receive that, or they can contact me directly at this email, which is my personal email, which again, I want to be changing to just a blog email, but for now, this is what I have. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Just a visual representation of myself, and I can't wait to be posting more as well as seeing everybody else's posts.